We are back again with another quick and easy recipe. Today we'll be making a smoothie. And I know sometimes when you guys are in a rush, we're always thinking about time. Everything's so time consuming. Sometimes when you're in grocery stores and you may see this item, you think you're saving time, but you're actually losing time on the back end with the health-wise. This is loaded with carbs, loaded with hidden sugars. You'll be better off actually preparing it yourself with quick and easy, fresh items. Some of the items that we will be using to prepare my rich chocolate smoothie today, we're gonna need some almond milk, a cup of strawberries, chia seeds, protein is optional, honey, and turmeric. First, we're gonna start off with some ice, about a cup of ice. I'm gonna throw in our strawberries. About a tablespoon of chia seeds. It's good for digestion and also some added proteins. We're gonna do about a cup of chocolate almond milk. You could do vanilla if for your preference, that's up to you. I just prefer chocolate. To do about 2 tablespoons of raw honey. The protein is optional. We're gonna do 1 scoop. And last but not least, our good old anti-inflammatory turmeric. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of it. I like to put turmeric almost in everything. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. You can find all the total health and wellness recipes on my website, yourfavoritenutritionist.com, or through your total health and wellness program. Balanced nutrition is one aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Remember to create a healthy relationship with your primary care physician. Do not miss your preventive annual exams. Tap into the benefits and programs that are actually available to you. And always remember, when cooking at home, focus on portion control.